Welcome to an overview of Python programming module. This module provides an overview of the Python programming language. In this module, you will learn about the advantages and limitations of Python. You will also see the runtime execution of Python. At the end of this module, you will be able to describe Python, discuss the advantages and drawbacks of Python, install the Python package, create a program in Python, demonstrate how to run Python, explain the need of Python IDLE, and outline the concept of interactive Python. Let's start with going through the features of Python. Python is very simple and easy to use. It is a free and open-source software that promotes sharing of knowledge. Python is a high-level programming language with dynamic semantics, which specifies the program behavior based on different constructs of a language. It is a portable language, that is, a program written in Python can be executed on different platforms without making any changes in the content. Python is a procedure-oriented and object-oriented language. Additionally, it is an interpreted language. Due to minimal complexities and easy programming, Python is easy to learn, read and implement. Apart from this, Python is scalable, that is, Python encourages large applications by providing code reusability and small code structure. You have seen that Python is an interpreted language. This diagram shows the steps involved in a program execution. The editor writes the program and edits it. Once the program is coded, it is saved as a Python program, and the saved file is called the source file. The source file is then read by the Python interpreter, and it generates the bytecode with the help of library modules. The generated bytecode file is then executed, based on which the output of the program is produced. The first step performed by Python is to compile the source code into a structure known as bytecode. The bytecode of a Python program is saved with a .pyc extension as a startup speed optimization step. After the source code is compiled to bytecode, it is forwarded to the Python virtual machine, or PVM, for execution. The PVM is the Python component that runs scripts by iterating through bytecode instructions, one by one, to perform operations. There are two prominent implementations, CPython and Jython. Along with these, there is a secondary implementation, Python.net. The same Python language is used by all implementations. However, the way the programs are executed differs. As the name suggests, CPython is written in C language. It has a standard library written in a combination of C and Python. CPython has the highest compatibility level with Python packages and C extension modules. It compiles the Python source code into bytecode, which is then executed by CPython virtual machine. Jython is the Python implementation running on the Java platform. Instead of using Python modules, Jython programs use Java classes. It lets you use Java class library functions from the Python program. Note that Jython is slower than CPython and lacks the compatibility with CPython libraries. Python.net is the implementation of Python that allows the integration with .NET framework. Frozen binaries is a Python flavor with which you can generate a standalone binary executable from Python programs. Using third-party tools, Python programs can be transformed into true executables known as frozen binaries. Now, let's us compare Python with some other programming languages. Python programs can be developed quickly, unlike the complex and lengthy Java codes. However, programs written in Python take longer time to run. While writing a code in Python, you do not need to declare variables or the type of arguments. So, Python is also known as a glue language and Java remains as a low-level implementation language. Next, Python codes are 5 to 10 times concise than C code. The object base in Python is roughly similar to that of JavaScript. The functionality of JavaScript is widely limited to advanced designing and styling that is used in web applications. On the other hand, Python can be used to write much larger programs with the feature of code reusability. Both Python and Perl share a similar Unix scripting background. Perl is more focused on the development of application-oriented programming tasks. On the other hand, Python emphasizes on data structure design and object-oriented programming. Python allows writing of readable and maintainable codes. Python cannot overtake Perl in its original application domain, but the applicability of Python is higher than that of Perl. The summary of the module on Overview of Python has been put on the screen. I will pause for a few seconds to allow you to read it. Thanks for watching Python, an overview module. Let us move ahead with next module.